Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to see more historical dates, or rather, more historical houses, apartments on Google Maps. In summary, we're going to travel back in time to see pictures on Google Maps, okay? On how they used to look like and how they were built before. That being said, please open your browser of your choice, and if you're using your laptop, your phone, your tablet, any devices other than PC, please stay on the video because it's literally the same process, okay? So please open Google Maps. It doesn't really matter if what kind of browser you're looking for. If you're using Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Safari, it's literally the same. So let me just open Google Maps right here. And from here on out, I'm just gonna search in Santa Monica, Los Angeles. Is that right? Because I love this place in GTA 5. Santa Monica Pier. Is that right? Please correct me if I'm wrong. I think it should be right here. Okay, there you go. Now with this one, you can choose any location. Of course, it's not literally, it doesn't really matter if it's Santa Monica Pier or Santa Monica Beach. If you use any part of the earth, please do so. Now with this one, I'm just gonna click on this little layer to make it more easier, and then drag this little guy right here, because I wanna go on the street view. Okay. Hold this little gun right there and then go on Santa Monica Pier. So this should be the entrance to Santa Monica Pier. If it's not, I think it's just around here. So as you can see right now, Santa Monica Pier is to USA. Let me just go back again. I think I misclicked it. And with this one, as you can see, there is a date on the upper right section. It used to be on the upper left. Now, on the upper left it says June 15 or June 2015. So this date or this photo has been taken in June 2015. Now there are some photos that cannot be checked or they're fixed because this is a street. Now upon research earlier, I have a specific address that can be checked. Let me just check it out. Centinela Avenue, I think this is the one. Now with this one, simply go on the street again. And as you can see, there is a see more date option. Basically, you need to look for this option right here. If you click on it, you'll see the previous, actually the oldest version of the image. As you can see here, it's October 2008. We are 2023 right now. I think that's 15 years ago. And as you can see, look at the cars. They're so old. They still have this car right here, this box type car right there, right? So that's how you check all their dates or other photographs on Google Maps. So thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Okay? Goodbye for now.